Globalization is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon has profoundly implicated various aspects of international relations, including the concept of state sovereignty. This video will examine the effects of globalization on Pakistan's state sovereignty, exploring its implication for the country's autonomy, internal governance, and international relations. Erosion of state autonomy. Globalization has led to increased interconnectedness and interdependence among the nations, fostering economical interaction and cross-border flows of goods, services, and capital. While this has brought benefits to Pakistan, it has also eroded its state autonomy in several ways. Economic dependence. Integration into global economy has made Pakistan relevant on foreign trade and investment. This has reduced the governor's ability to control its own economy and its economical policy, and as it must now accommodate the demands of international markets and investment. Technological diffusion. Advance in communications and information technology has been facilitated the dissemination of ideas, ideologies, and cultures practices across borders. This has weakened the state monopoly on information and control over the flow of knowledge within its territory. Transnational corporations. Multinational corporations with a vast economical power often operates across borders, influencing government policies and challenging the sovereignty of the nations. Pakistan has experienced this influence through the presence of foreign companies in its energy, transcommunication, telecommunication, and financial sectors, weakening of internal governance. Globalization has also impacted Pakistan's internal governance by cross-border movements, increased migrations, and mobility had led to more diverse population within Pakistan. This has created challenges for the government in maintaining social chaos, protecting minority rights, and regulating immigrations. Foreign influence. External actors, including international organizations and non-governmental organizations, has played an increasingly sufficient role in Pakistan's internal affairs. This has raised concerns about foreign interferences and erosion of states' authority over its own territory. Environmental challenges. Globalization has exacerbated environmental problems such as climate change and pollution, which has transcended national borders. Pakistan has been particularly liable to effects of global warming, including extreme weather events and rising of sea levels, redefining international relations. Globalization has also redefined Pakistan's international relations by interdependence. Pakistan increased economical and security ties with other nations have made it more interdependent, reducing its ability to pursue a purely isolated foreign policy. Regional cooperation. Pakistan has joined regional organizations such as South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SARC) to address common challenges and foster economical integration. This has led to a partial pooling of sovereignty and greater emphasis on regional consensus. Global institution. Pakistan is a member of global institutions like the United Nations and the World Bank. These institutions play a significant role in setting international norms, resolving conflicts, and providing economical and technical assistance. While this can benefit Pakistan, it also limits its freedom of action in certain areas. Pakistan has responded to the challenges of globalization by adopting a number of strategies. Economical diversions. Government has sought to reduce its dependency of foreign trade by promoting domestic industries and diversifying its exports base. Strengthening internal security. Pakistan increased its investments in law enforcement and intelligence to counter threats from terrorism and extremism. Foreign policy realignment. The country has shifted its foreign policy towards building stronger ties with neighboring countries and emerging powers like China and Russia. Embracing international cooperation, Pakistan continues to participate in international organizations and multilateral forums to address global changes and protect its interests. Globalization has a significant impact on Pakistan's state sovereignty by enduring its economic autonomy, weakening its internal governance, and redefining its international relations. While globalization has brought certain benefits, it has also posed challenges that Pakistan must carefully navigate. By balancing its economy and security interests, strengthening its internal governance, and enlarging effectively with international community, Pakistan can mitigate the negative effects of globalization and pursue its sovereignty in an increasing interconnected world.